Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you turn off Talkback on your Android. So all you have to do, so it's not turned on for me. But I'm going to show for you how can you turn off it. So you just tap two fingers on your device. So like here in settings, you will click on settings on your two fingers. Then it's going to take you here, and you still. Go down here with your two fingers and you click here on accessibility. You click here, so then you click uh, so in accessibility here, then you come here to talk back. Here you will click, so in your two fingers, then it's going to take you here. So you just click here on this sign here two times here on your two fingers, then it's going to show for your list with stop. You click on stop to time, and it's going to turn off video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,